Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Yamaha MT-15 V2 motorcycle. The Yamaha MT-15 V2 is a motorcycle that defines aggression, power, and modern styling in the street fighter segment. Built with a compact and muscular design, the bike boasts an aggressive front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a dynamic stance that instantly grabs attention. Its sculpted fuel tank, inspired by larger MT models, enhances the bold look, making it a standout on the road. The aerodynamic shrouds and sleek tail section add to the sporty appeal, while the exposed delta box frame highlights its strength and rigidity. Equipped with a powerful 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, the MT-15 V2 delivers exceptional performance. The variable valve actuation (VVA) technology ensures optimal power delivery at both low and high RPMs, making it perfect for city rides and highway sprints. The fuel-injected system ensures smooth throttle response, while the 6-speed gearbox, paired with an assist and slipper clutch, provides seamless gear shifts. Whether navigating through traffic or hitting the open road, the MT-15 V2 offers a thrilling ride with impressive acceleration and top-end performance. The bike's lightweight chassis and well-balanced ergonomics contribute to its outstanding handling. The inverted front forks enhance front-end stability, while the link-type rear monoshock ensures superior comfort and control. The aluminum swingarm, derived from Yamaha's race-spec machines, improves agility, allowing riders to take sharp corners with confidence. The wide radial tires provide excellent grip, ensuring stability in all riding conditions. The optimized seat height and aggressive riding posture make it an ideal choice for both new and experienced riders seeking a dynamic street experience. Braking performance is top-notch, thanks to the front and rear disc brakes equipped with dual-channel ABS. The ABS system prevents wheel lock-ups, ensuring safety during sudden braking. The large 282mm front disc and 220mm rear disc offer superior stopping power, making city commutes and spirited rides more controlled and secure. With precise braking feedback, the MT-15 V2 inspires confidence, even in emergency situations. Technology plays a crucial role in the MT-15 V2's appeal. The fully digital negative LCD instrument cluster displays vital information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and real-time mileage. The Bluetooth-enabled Y-Connect app integration allows riders to connect their smartphones, offering features like call and message alerts, ride statistics, and maintenance reminders. This seamless connectivity enhances the riding experience, making every journey more informed and enjoyable. The LED lighting setup, including the bifunctional LED headlamp and sleek LED taillight, provides excellent visibility in all conditions. The sharp DRLs add to the aggressive styling, ensuring that the MT-15 V2 stands out, even in low-light environments. The turn indicators, with clear lens covers, further complement the bike's modern aesthetics. Yamaha has designed the MT-15 V2 with efficiency in mind. Despite its powerful engine, the bike delivers impressive fuel economy, making it a practical choice for daily commutes and long rides. The optimized fuel injection system ensures precise fuel delivery, enhancing mileage without compromising performance. Riders can enjoy extended journeys with fewer refueling stops, making it a cost-effective option in the premium street fighter category. The MT-15 V2 is available in multiple color options, each reflecting its bold and aggressive character. The premium paint finish, along with striking graphics, adds to its street presence. The attention to detail in the design, from the well-sculpted body panels to the neatly integrated exhaust system, showcases Yamaha's commitment to quality and aesthetics. Ergonomics play a significant role in rider comfort, and the MT-15 V2 excels in this aspect. The upright riding position, combined with a slightly rear-set footpeg arrangement, provides a commanding stance while ensuring comfort on long rides. The well-padded seat offers adequate support, making city commutes and highway cruising equally enjoyable. The wide handlebar enhances maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate through traffic effortlessly. The bike's suspension setup is tuned for a balance between sporty performance and everyday comfort. The telescopic upside-down forks provide superior damping characteristics, absorbing road undulations effectively. The rear monoshock, with its link-type suspension, ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. Whether tackling potholes or enjoying twisty roads, the MT-15 V2 remains composed and stable. In terms of safety, Yamaha has equipped the MT-15 V2 with advanced features to enhance rider protection. The dual-channel ABS system prevents skidding during sudden braking, reducing the risk of accidents. The high-performance tires offer excellent traction, even in wet conditions, ensuring a secure riding experience. The bright LED headlamp enhances nighttime visibility, allowing riders to navigate confidently in low-light environments. The exhaust system of the MT-15 V2 is designed for both performance and aesthetics. The upswept exhaust with a sporty muffler enhances the bike's aggressive look while delivering a deep and throaty exhaust note. The refined exhaust tuning complements the engine's power delivery, adding to the overall riding pleasure. Yamaha has also focused on sustainability, ensuring that the MT-15 V2 meets stringent emission norms. The BS6 compliant engine incorporates advanced catalytic converters, reducing emissions while maintaining optimal performance. This eco-friendly approach makes it a responsible choice for riders who seek both performance and environmental consciousness. Customization options allow riders to personalize their MT-15 V2 to suit their style. Yamaha offers a range of official accessories, including tank pads, frame sliders, and performance-enhancing components. Riders can enhance the bike's aesthetics and functionality, creating a unique look that reflects their personality. The ownership experience of the MT-15 V2 is further enhanced by Yamaha's extensive service network and reliable after-sales support. The brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction ensures hassle-free maintenance and service availability across multiple locations. Spare parts availability and affordable service costs make it a practical choice for long-term ownership. The Yamaha MT-15 V2 is not just a motorcycle, it's an emotion for enthusiasts who crave power, style, and cutting-edge technology. Its dynamic design, high-performance engine, advanced features, and superior handling make it a top contender in the premium street fighter segment. Whether for daily commuting, weekend rides, or spirited performance on open roads, the MT-15 V2 delivers an unmatched experience. For riders who seek a blend of excitement, reliability, and modern styling, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 stands as the ultimate choice. It redefines urban motorcycling with its aggressive persona, refined engineering, and rider-centric features. The thrill of riding an MT-15 V2 goes beyond specifications, it's about the feeling of control, confidence, and pure exhilaration on every ride. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.